Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it may be that you come across my channel and this video, I want to say welcome. And in honor of Father's Day, I need to honor them by saying Happy Father's Day to the good fathers who have raised their daughters to understand that they are to be protected, respected, and acknowledged. You know, a lot of times we see women who may fall victim to domestic violence not having a father figure in their lives. And then there are some of us who did. And we still may fall victim because of what we may have seen our father go through, which was probably abuse in some manner. But for me to take this time today, I want to acknowledge those who have taught their daughters how they are to be treated, and especially how they are not to be treated. You are not to be physically abused. You are not to be emotionally, mentally, verbally, or financially abused once you leave your father's hand. And some of us who may have been reared without a father in the home, understand just because your father wasn't in the home doesn't mean that you're supposed to not be treated well by a man that you may meet and hopefully one day be the father of your children. And this is another thing you need to look at, ladies. If he is not good to his mother, likely he's not going to be good to you. So understand that if you don't have a father figure in your house, search out someone who you can watch how they treat their children and how they treat their wife to give you the understanding of how you are to be treated as a young woman. I am Janie Deadwyler, your victory coach. Victorious intervention, carefully training on restoring yourself, yes. Until next time, peace and blessings. Thank you for watching.